want to say one more thing tonight. Can we have, I'm feeling so positive tonight, you know, Reena, so positive tonight. I also want a new, I want Bharat Biotech to come up with a vaccine against cynicism.
Also
Truly, a single shot vaccine against cynicism. Something which with one shot.
Also a vaccine against stupidity.
No, but one vaccine against cynicism, one vaccine against this Vadra family's tweets, the impact of it. I mean, a few days back, Rahul Gandhi says, we are under renewed attack, everything is unfortunate, vaccine suppliers worked hard, center did not implement, oversight, etc., undermining. It's so easy to put out a tweet, Reena. The easiest thing you can do in the morning, and you don't even have to do it yourself. I suspect some of these people have ghostwriters even for tweets. As if ghostwriters for books were not bad enough. I've now heard there's a whole industry nowadays, Reena. Ghostwriters for tweets. Someone else, you know, writes tweets for you every morning and you shamelessly put it out on your own. My question tonight is this, Reena. Are you feeling positive as well? And would you acknowledge that instead of a center-state fight, we can actually set the stage for center-state cooperation in this?
So Arnab, I'm very glad with the decision and we welcome the decision to open vaccination for everybody above 18. This is something that the Chief Minister of Delhi has been requesting for many months now.
Of course, the decision is 2 months late, but I'm very happy that the decision has finally been taken. Having said that, there is still a lot of uncertainty. A, what is our inventory? Who's going to supply these vaccines? How many of these contracts have already been secured? You know, Serum Institute has been saying that they've run out of vaccines now. They've been asking for money, which I understand has finally been released. So it's very good. I'm so glad that everybody on your panel today is feeling so positive. But, you know, let us really have things in a very transparent manner. What is our inventory?
You're not feeling positive?
I'm feeling very positive. I'm feeling very positive.
I'm very positive.
I'm very happy.
Is it bad to feel positive, Reena? What we need in this country is more positivity, not the positivity rate, but positivity in our spirits.
Absolutely. Absolutely. No, I'm very happy. However, I still need to know that tomorrow when I want to open more vaccination centers in Delhi, from where am I getting my vaccine supply? How many of those contracts have been secured by the central government?
Sambit, please clarify.
To go out in the international
are you saying? Are you trying to suggest? Are you suggesting that the government is window dressing all this? 1 minute. Are you suggesting that there's a bit of fudging going on? No, but one minute. Reena, let's be practical. Reena, listen to me. Reena, listen to me. Reena, listen to me. Sambit, wait, which you never do. Reena, listen to me. Reena, no, Sambit, you wait. I'm asking her a counter. 1 minute. Reena, are you suggesting the government has announced all this without having enough vaccines in the pipeline? I don't think that they would do something like that. I don't think they would. Are you suggesting that? If you're suggesting, say so.
Arnab, there have been so many issues
in the past few weeks where states have been saying that they're not getting a supply from the center. So we need to have a clear policy so that tomorrow there is no blame game between the state and the center. They need to tell us how they're going to allocate vaccine to the various states. Is it based on population? What is it based on? So that
Sambit, please explain. Big question. No, 1 minute.
Don't say that we are not getting
one minute before you come in. No, 1 minute before you come in. No, 1 minute before you come in. No, 1 minute. 1 minute before you come in. It's a big question. Everyone's mind. Sambit, you'll have to wait. Is it a question on Dr. Mohsin Wali's mind as well? Dr. Mohsin Wali, well-known cardiologist, please. Is it a question on your mind as well, sir? Or do you think the government would have secured the pipeline before having made an announcement like this?
The distribution is first 50-50 center versus state, but out of the today's program and out of the whole day, I also acknowledge that today is a great day for all of us, for the country, for the children of this country, that they're going to get vaccinated, which they were waiting for, and you of course need a very great applause. There is no doubt about it. But the great word today was gratitude.
But Smita,
gratitude was
but Smita, is it a relevant question?
And on behalf of
No, I understand that, but Smita, is it a relevant question? Yeah. Is it no? Yes.
50-50. that
Go on.
all will be distributed. That's fair.
Arnab, I wanted to please answer.
No, but
this
my
question.
question is,
to be
Smita, this
available.
question
Look, it's
cannot
going
be
to be
sidestepped
available
either.
even to
The
the
question
private
Reena is
sector.
asking,
It's
are there enough
50-50.
vaccines?
If I may just read out the,
There will be always enough vaccines. We will never be short.
can I speak about this? Can I just read out the part? It says the division of vaccine
Yes,
supply 50% to the government of India, 50% to other government of India channels would be applicable uniformly across all vaccine manufactured in the country. However, government of India will allow the imported fully ready. So what I'm trying to say to you is that this is going to be available. So a state can go to the vaccine manufacturer and say give it to us. We are buying it from you. Similarly, it will go to the private sector. The nitty-gritties and all are going to come out. The entire documentation is going to come out. This is today was just mota what are the decisions taken in the meeting. Frankly, there is no need to do this state versus state, center versus center, state, Congress versus BJP versus TMC in this. The virus as well as the vaccine. It doesn't see rich or poor, class or caste, political party. It only sees human being. I'm so glad that the government has announced this liberalized and accelerated COVID-19 vaccination program. It's not come a moment too early. Health professionals, media people, private sector, everybody has been saying this for a long time. As far as Mr. Hiranandani had mentioned it, that we are going to first vaccinate ourselves and then vaccinate the world. Just to take this a point further, unless India vaccinates the masses, and we owe it to the world, because no way can COVID-19 be defeated globally unless India vaccinates, unless India defeats COVID-19. We are 1.2 billion of us. Unless we are able to defeat, just like China, unless China defeats COVID-19, the world cannot defeat COVID-19. Similarly, until India doesn't defeat COVID-19. So please understand that not only is this a national responsibility, it is our responsibility as a part of the global world, that we have to, global population, that we have to defeat it in our country. I understand that initially the idea was to protect the elderly, the weak, the vulnerable and stuff. But then doctors have been saying for a long time that the people who are going out to jobs and those who were going out to do their chores, they were the super spreaders. I don't mean this negatively, but people you and me, we were the super spreaders. We were going to work, we were going and interviewing people.
Reality.
So
It's a reality.
it was absolutely
It's a
necessary.
reality.
And as far as Covaxin is concerned, I have taken Covaxin. I have taken it. If I have faith in it as a journalist, I'm sure there are other journalists too. We are the ones who are going out into the field. We are taking it. Please, for heaven's sake, have faith in our vaccines. The world has faith in vaccines made in India. And each one of us is a national responsibility.
But why isn't there an
not just
apology,
to convey
at
to
least
the
today,
others
I
that
know I
take
was
your
told,
vaccines, convey to your family members, to your community members